Hi y'all, it's Grammys. I need to make dinner, and I thought we would use our leftovers because we still have leftover chicken from when we did the Boursin chicken, and I still have some pasta. So I'm gonna just make a pasta dish. We're gonna use the chicken, onions, walnuts, bacon pieces, and I didn't have any celery, so I'm going to use a little bit of the classic slaw, which I really like this in my salad. So I thought I'd bring you along with me and show you how I'm going to use some more of these leftovers. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some mayonnaise to our pasta. Get that put through. Let's do about a cup. So I'll mix this through. That looks pretty good. Get everything kind of coated. And I'm going to add some pepper and some salt. A little bit of pepper. Pinch of salt. Mix it again. I'll add a little bit more. Went overboard. Okay. Just a little bit more. I like my pepper. Another pinch of salt. All right. Then I have my bacon and walnuts out of the freezer. So they've been out just for a few minutes to kind of thaw out a little bit. Do you guys keep your bacon pieces and walnuts in the freezer? I do. I keep my almonds and pecans in my refrigerator, and I keep my walnuts in the refrigerator. Yeah, I said refrigerator, right? I keep my walnuts in the freezer. All right, so let's add that. There. Give that a mix. We're just going to mix as we go. It is a tiny bit small for what I'm doing. Well, I think it is. It may not be. But I'm just thinking it's a little small, so I'm going to mix as I go. Hopefully it'll make it a little easier. But time will tell, won't it? Alright, so got that mixed up. Now we need to get our onion ready. Alright, so let's get some onion put in there. I'm at about the same ratio as what I'm thinking as the those walnuts and bacon. It doesn't have to be, but in my mind that makes sense. I like a lot of onion though, especially in a cold pasta salad. Oh. Tuna pasta salad is probably like one of my most favorite things in the whole world. I love tuna pasta salad. That might not be enough onion for me. But okay. I want to put some pumpkin seeds in there. So I have some pepitas. It's roasted and salted pumpkin seed kernels. Can you see that? Okay, let's put some of these in there. I think some tomatoes would be great with this, but I don't have any. Okay. And let's open up our slaw. Slaw in all my salads. I just love it. I'm going to do 2 nice big handfuls. And we'll mix that up. Okay, now let's add our chicken. Use all of it. Small. This chicken was so good. I got a lot of uses out of that. If you guys watched my other videos, we did that Boursin chicken recipe, and then I made a pot pie, which that pot pie was the bomb. It was so good. Alright, that's good. Okay. And bring our mixture back over here. And give that a good mix. You could add grapes to this, some fresh grapes, blueberries, or some dried cranberries would be good, or nothing. Alright, I think that looks good. So we'll get this plated up and see if I did add enough salt and pepper, and go from there. But it's so pretty, look at that. It really is nice salad. I've never done this before, I'm winging it, but it makes sense to me. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, let's give this a taste test, see how I did. I think it has enough salt. Very good. I'm glad I added that slaw and gave it that crisp, so it's more salady, if that makes any sense. But with the chicken and bacon and walnuts, this is the bomb diggity. So this is something you can do with your leftovers. Just make it quick, easy. Now I have a salad, so I have dinner tonight. I'll have lunch tomorrow, probably dinner tomorrow, and lunch on Friday. I'm glad you guys joined me on this. I hope you do try it. To my bubbies, I love you so much. Okay, so see you real soon. You take care of yourselves. You be good, and you be good to your parents. Bye.